After the feedback session is over, we'll be going on for the online assessment. A very pleasant good afternoon. I welcome you all for this Day 5 Faculty Development Program, and I invite you all for this feedback session. After this feedback session, of course, we'll be having our online assessment. This is a platform for you to share your valuable feedbacks and suggestions about the conduct of this Faculty Development Program on stress management. Your suggestions and your feedbacks are highly evaluated, and we recommend and request you to share your genuine feedbacks with us in this forum today. Over to the participants. You can unmute yourself and you can share your feedback with regard to the conduct of this FDP.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Shall I start?
Yes, Vinita ma'am.
Good afternoon, everybody. This training program is very meaningful, useful, and valuable for us. It helped me a lot in my professional and personal life. I learned a lot by the thoughts, videos, exercises, and the experiences shared by the resource people. Stress relieving techniques, thoughts, and thinking strengthened my body, mind, and soul. Thanks a lot to them. Thank you, Dr. A. Krishnaveni Madam, for conducting such a nice and most wanted FTP. Thank you, Shala Madam, for her sincere cooperation. I wish to attend some more unique courses from you. Jai Hind. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, Vinita ma'am. Others, you can unmute yourself and you can share your valuable suggestions.
Good afternoon, madam.
Yeah,
This is Dr.
Balamurugan, sir.
Balamurugan. This is Dr. Balamurugan. Let me introduce myself. I am doctor by profession. I'm an anesthetist. I should thank the organizing people. They did a very good faculty development program. It relieved me a lot way because I was working in the COVID patient with a lot of stress and mine little bit on depression side. This helped me with a lot of exercises and a lot of ideas from other people how to relieve our stress. Thank you all.
Thank you.
Yeah, good afternoon, everyone. I'm Professor Shobha Bindu from JNTU, Jawaharlal Nehru Technological University, Anantapur. And I take this opportunity to appreciate the efforts taken by the organizers in conducting this particular FDP. Especially, I need to thank Krishnaveni ma'am and Shala ma'am for taking the time and giving a lot of you are really very friendly to the faculty, to all the participants, and your timely response for all the questions. Even I have seen in the midnight also you are giving the responses. So I feel very happy for that, and all the sessions really were really excellent. And we felt very relaxed after listening to all the experts, especially during this pandemic. There were a lot of disturbances that has happened in our day-to-day activities. So especially in the teaching community, when we take, there was really a paradigm shift that has taken place where from our regular teaching practice, we have to shift on to the online teaching, where it has caused a lot of stress, not only on the teachers, rather on the students also. But after listening to all these experts, now I'm really confident that I'll be out of the stress by implementing the measures that are being suggested by all the experts. So especially I'd like to appreciate Shala ma'am for briefing the previous day session deliberations before starting the day next day sessions. So this idea of providing the recap of the previous sessions is really commendable. So overall, the program is very well organized, and especially these two madams like Krishnaveni ma'am and Shala ma'am has helped us a lot. So I thank the principal of Government College of Engineering, Tirunelveli, coordinator, Professor Krishnaveni ma'am and Shala ma'am and Atal for giving me an opportunity to be with all you people, and I really enjoyed all the sessions. Thank you very much.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you Shobha ma'am.
Thank you, Shobha ma'am. Thank you so much.
Hello, good afternoon to all. My name is Mrs. Shaheen Pathan. I am from Sanjeevani Institute of Pharmacy and Research, Kopargaon from Maharashtra. And I really enjoyed all these valuable 5 days of very informative sessions and learned a lot. The techniques personally healed and helped me to get over some of my emotional and physical pain. I'm glad to know these type of teachings. Many thanks to the coordinators and those who are all involved in this program. Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank you,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, very good evening, everybody, my dear colleagues and my dear great friends. I am so happy to attend this 5 days PP in spite of very huge hectic schedule in our state, especially in Anna University, Tamil Nadu. We have online examination and also practical examination. In spite of that, our Government College of Engineering, Tirunelveli, really they conducted a very great session. It's a very useful to me. By the way, my name is Satya Arunachalam. I am Associate Professor, Mechanical Engineering Department. So actually, from the day one to last day, it's a very great session. I can't say this one is the best, that one is the best. Why I'm saying means, in day one, from the day one, they are giving what is one-day stress and how it is implemented. After that, end of the day, the practice, that means they are giving that exercise, physical exercise, and the previous day they gave the mental exercise, and that mid of the days they are giving the brainstorming sessions too. Really, I am so happy to attend this function. Thank you so much for the principal GC Tirunelveli and the coordinator Dr. Krishnaveni ma'am, and of course it is a very nice comparer, I think. Ma'am Shala ma'am, really your work was so happy, because whenever we are feeling tired along with our work, your voice, really your voice is giving a very
Good.
great boost to us. So thank you so much. God bless you. Jai Hind. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Arunachalam sir. Thank you so much.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon,
And good
Sundaram
afternoon,
sir.
good afternoon to everyone. I am Sundaram, lecturer, Instrumentation and Control Engineering Department, ADJ Dharmamal Polytechnic, Nagapattinam, ma'am. This is the first time I am attending your program. This program is very nice, ma'am. You are arranged in a neat manner, and also you are cooperating with the participants very much helpful and very friendly coordinator, ma'am. And the stress and copying session is handled by Mr. C. Pannirselvam is very useful to me, ma'am. And another program, stress management and techniques, handled by Dr. R. Victor Lazarus, is also delivering is very much enthusiastic and a very elaborate classes for us, ma'am. It is very useful to me, particularly, and this is the first time I am here to this recap of the previous day portions. What are they are covered in this? So it is very much useful to ma'am. Thank you for particularly thank you for Dr. Krishnaveni ma'am and Shala ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Sundaram sir. Thank you so much. Any other participants? We can spare half an hour of time for this feedback session. We have to record it and we have to submit it to AICTE. So it will be nice if you could unmute yourself and share a few of your suggestions. Thank you, participants, for sharing your comments in the chat box. But yet, we request you to unmute yourself and speak so that it will be much more helpful. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, Ashwini ma'am.
Ma'am, please conduct some this type of some more FDPs per year, because I learned a lot from it, and this is my third FDP and I have chosen my fourth FDP. So next year I will be able to do next FDP. So every year I want to learn much more from you.
Thank you, sir. Definitely.
Surely, ma'am. Thank you. Ashwini ma'am?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, this is Dr. Ashwini from Vigyan Bharati Institute of Technology, Ghatkesar, Telangana. And let me tell you one thing very, very precious for me today. And that was a wonderful journey from body to the soul. These 5 days have been a beautiful journey from me, thinking about what is my body and how I can reach my soul through this, stress management techniques. And it has been really wonderful, ma'am. The day one, it started with the human values, and then the day two, it gave me some, some important lessons on teaching in stress. And then the day three gave me some management techniques of teaching learning process. And then day four, it talked about a beautiful thing called mindfulness. And today I was really, captivated by the by sir's explanation about the yoga asanas and the mudras that Kalpana madam had shown us all. And I really enjoyed the whole of the event, ma'am. And I wish very good success to this program. And I really deem it a pleasure to be a participant for more of such events. And special thanks to Dr. Krishnaveni madam and also Shala madam, who have been so very resourceful for us, who have been so helpful for us in all the days. I'm really very thankful to you all, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Ashwini ma'am. Thank you for your feedback.
Ma'am, we want more FDPs on Reiki, healing, Shambhavi, Isha Kriya, and many other techniques.
Sure, ma'am. Your suggestions will be considered in the coming days.
Thanks, ma'am.
Madam, I'm Binduar from FCRIT Vashi. Actually, it was a very nice experience. First time such an event I was participating, and excellent coordination by Krishnaveni madam and very good presentation by Shala madam. So we were enjoying it, 5 days actually very much. That relief is there means, and it was enjoyable. Thank you so much, sir. Madam. Yes,
Thank you, Bindu ma'am. Thank you so much.
A very good afternoon to all. This is Maitri Sindhu Bhatyar from Kanpur, Uttar Pradesh. And I'm not a very experienced person. I'm very new in the education industry. I would say this is only my 3rd year of teaching. And this was my first FDP. And initially I was very confused, because generally what our mindset is, we choose such a faculty development program that is basically some way directly associated with our curriculum. Like my subject is maths, so I would try to indulge in some FDP that is related to some mathematical concept or mathematical subjects. But when I went through this topic, stress management techniques, I was very crucial ki acha theek hai, what will I get to learn in this? Because in our day-to-day lives, when we tell someone ki I'm suffering some kind of stress or I'm overthinking, so the major reaction that people give is only, "Are you are thinking too much." It's nothing like that. But during this session, what we really got to know is what actually stress is, not only in psychological terms but also in medical terms. How it actually is affecting our body. Like when today in the morning session, when Kalpana ma'am said to do that lotus pose, and I was not able to expand my fingers properly. Like Dr. Krishnaveni ma'am's fingers were making the full bloom lotus. So I got to know seriously how much I'm holding up to myself, and we got to learn so many techniques by which we'll be able to release stress and cope up with the current scenario. And since we are all involved in teaching somehow, regularly we are facing some kind of stress, and in fact it will be very helpful to all of us. And thank you so much to the coordinator team, Dr. Krishnaveni ma'am and Shala ma'am, your recap sessions and the way you dealt with all our queries and problems is commendable, seriously commendable. Thank you so much, and looking more forward to such sessions. Thank you.
Thank you, Maitri ma'am. Thank you so much for your valuable suggestions and feedback. Any other participants? We can also spare 10 more minutes for this feedback.
afternoon, Shala ma'am. And
Good afternoon.
yes, myself Priyanka Sada. I'm assistant professor at Govindrao Manjari College of Law, Nagpur. And in terms of law, I would say that it will be injustice if I won't unmute myself and say special thanks to this forum, because, ma'am, no doubt, and when I was also selecting for the topic, because there were number of FDPs, so I know, as Ashwini ma'am said, that we are generally preferring that topic which is concerned with our field, but I did not get a topic with that. But yes, when I saw stress management, so I thought we should do it once. And yes, ma'am, 100% I'll say in this corona phase, stress is a very common word which is practically, I think, getting experienced by many people. And throughout the this FDP faculty development program, no doubt it was very fruitful, in which we have learned many ways how to cope up with the stress and all. And apart from this, yes, I will say that one more thing we have learned, that in future, if our college is also organizing faculty development program, then how it should be so well presented and coordinated, which we have learned from, yes, Shala ma'am and Kriveni ma'am, I think. Yes, thank you so much for giving many valuable outputs from this faculty development program. Special thanks once again.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much, Priyanka ma'am.
Yes.
Hello everyone. Am I audible?
Yeah, yes, ma'am, of course.
Okay.
Your name is Kriti, right?
It's Kirti. Myself, Dr.
Okay.
Kirti Mishra, and I'm currently working as an assistant professor in physiotherapy department of Sanskrit University, Mathura. And first of all, let me thank Dr. Krishnaveni. She really worked hard for this FDP, and I could see her late night messages. So it defines each and everything. So next, I would like to thank to you, ma'am, Miss Shala. Sorry if I am pronouncing your name wrongly. And because your recap session was really very innovative, even I have attended many FDPs, but this one was new thing. So with this, I'm thanking everyone, its organizing team, resource person, and of course AICTE. Once again, thank you everyone.
Thank you. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you, Kiri ma'am. Thank you so much for your valuable suggestions. Of course, I get often this kind of a comment. Only in this forum, I get to have participants who are pronouncing my name rightly. Nobody in Tamil Nadu, they pronounce my name rightly. I'm so happy to hear that you're pronouncing my names right. So much thanks for all the participants. Jebakani ma'am?
Yes, ma'am. It's from GC Tirunelveli to thank the coordinator and our principal. Good afternoon, one and all. I thank our beloved principal, Dr. P. Lata ma'am, for her kind patronage in this program. And I would like to thank my friend and my colleague, Dr. Krishnaveni ma'am. We together studied BE and working together in this institution. So I take my privilege to give my applause to her because she's already very sincere in every activity. So it has been proven. So the hard work and the effort put forth by her for the last 4 months, now she is reaping that happiness. So you could able to see her that in her face. So I would also like to join with her at this moment to share this happiness. So it's my privilege to have such a great friend. And also I thank every resource person. So because everyone, they did their role properly. Every activity was very useful for us, right from the day 1 to day 5. So everything is highly correlated with the theme of the FDP. So with these words, I appreciate once again my friend Dr. Krishnaveni ma'am for her effort and this creating this program a successful one. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Jabakari ma'am. Thank you so much for your comments. British sir?
Yes, ma'am. Am I audible, ma'am?
Of course, sir. Very clear.
Ma'am, first of all, I would like to tell you one thing that while selecting an FDP on Atal portal, I have been very selective. I thought that I need to select some FDPs on research and all. Then I have found this one. Then I realized I need to go for something like this topic, stress management. Because what I realize, if a mind of a teacher is stressful, I don't think he will be that much productive as he is expected. So from day one, I realized that the decision which I have taken in the past, it has gone very right. And when I see at the faces of the resource person, coordinator ma'am and Sella ma'am, I have found it that the FDP has been organized very beautifully. From day one, I have been able to understand what actually stress is. It's a linkage with the mental and physical health. How to manage stress. I've been very impressed by many of the resource person because they have been very impressive, like Serene ma'am, Dr. Victor. He has been very having very practical approach, and he cited such brilliant examples that I was able to correlate actually how to come over the things, and there were a lot more real life examples have been cited. And today, after attending the Ayyappan sir yoga session, I feel with a new zeal of starting this all. Then even the when I learned mudra, then I have found that to some extent starting with these mudras is relatively easy, as I was able to observe Krishnaveni ma'am. She has been demonstrating those mudras very well. So even on this side, I have been very excited. Why not? Why shouldn't I try this? So at the end, this FDP is going to be very fruitful for me, and even I accept and expect that it would surely be for others too. Thanks to everyone, every single participant, including the coordinator and Shella ma'am. Thanks again. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, Vijay Kumar sir. Thank you so much.
Good afternoon, ma'am. I am Yamini Shanmugam. I'm an assistant professor in Sri Krishna College of Technology, Coimbatore. This is my second program in this line, ma'am. I usually attend programs of this nature, managing stress and life skills. So I'm much interested in life skills because I want to promote wellness among my students. So I indeed have completed my MSc in applied psychology. I took it as in distance education. So in distance education, I have completed and I wanted to get trained in that line. So that's the reason why I took up. And one of the programs when I attended in Manet, conducted by Manet, and there they promoted Sahaj Yoga. So here the mudras, I think it's the nature of tradition of Tamil Nadu, and it was really fantastic, ma'am. And all the resource persons were expressing their fullness to the full extent. They were capable of imparting whatever they had in mind to us. So it was very nice. And it was Dr. Victor who proved that whatever stress we are undergoing is nothing compared to the stress undergone by the police people as well as the loco pilots. So it was really very nice. So he made us feel that there's nothing to be stressed at all. So thank you for this lovely session, and thank you for the lovely choice of resource persons, ma'am. So it was a really nice experience being with you for 5 years. One thing is, I feel that I could have met you people in person. So in person, I think it would have been a much better experience comparatively. So it was really, everything was very good, and I'm really happy that such a program is being conducted in Tamil Nadu. So very happy, ma'am. Kudos to you, Shala ma'am and Krishnaveni ma'am. Thanks a lot, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you, Yamini ma'am. Thank you so much. I wish in future days we shall meet in person. Any other feedbacks?
I think Neha, ma'am, unmuted.
Hello, I'm audible?
Yeah, Neha ma'am, you're audible.
Ma'am, actually, I am from Nehu Shillong, Biotech Department. I'm an assistant professor working here. I am very much impressed with the schedule which you have made. It covers all the topics which should be there in stress management. And that's why I want to especially, I am not told yesterday that I will be saying in feedback, but really I want to mention this thing. And I'm very thankful to you for conducting this full FDP program in a very smooth manner. We are all like, I can say from my side that I learned many new things after doing this. This is my first course which I am doing like this, FDP. Okay, I have never done, I am so much busy always in work, but this time I thought something online I can do, and then I opted for this course through Atal, AICPC. So I'm very thankful for the coordinator and also Shala ma'am and everyone who are giving their full input all through the week. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Neha ma'am. Thank you so much. Arnachalam sir, you have given a hand raise. Would you like to share something?
Yeah, of course, ma'am. Actually, I already discussed about some points. Along with
Yeah.
that, this is my second program. I am attending that AICT Atal program. In the first program, unfortunately, I didn't have a proper network, so that I lost some attendances. Due to that, I lost everything. But in this particular 5 days program, really, I am from the bottom of my heart. I am saying the coordinator, Dr. Krishnavani ma'am, she simply continuously supported all the participants, because ma'am already known about the difficulties and the practical problems which are all facing by the teaching community. So she was simply cooperated to the core. Really, so hats off you, Krishnavani ma'am. I'm so much happy about this. Thank you so much. And
Thank you.
again, special mention to Shala ma'am. Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Yeah, Uma Maheshwari ma'am.
Hello, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Background.
Okay, ma'am. I'm Uma Maheshwari from JP Engineering College, ma'am. Max faculty, actually. So, whenever I see to the FDP, I attended only Max. Okay. Only in the subject of Max. Only this I have attended in different. I thought, let me see what is that stress. Anyway, we are all in stress both in work or in family or whatever it is. But when I see joining you all for these 5 days, it's really very marvelous, ma'am. Very excellent and very well organized, ma'am. And hats off to Shala ma'am for a recap. And Krishnavani ma'am, from right from the beginning till the end, whenever we saw her, she'd be very relaxed. When seeing her itself, her stress will be relieved, ma'am.
Thank
Thank
you.
organizer for incorporating all sorts of stress management techniques. Like that, you right from the beginning, the day when sir spoke about the ethics, everything. And Sherin ma'am, she was very spontaneous in her thing. It's a very good delivery. And you had that doctors, and now today it is yoga, mudras, everything was very well planned and organized, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Ma'am.
Very
Thank you so
cordial,
much.
very cordial in WhatsApp, everything, ma'am. Thanks a lot. We expect more such stuff of FD fees from you, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Any other participants would like to share your thoughts and feedbacks? I would like to thank all the participants who shared your feedback and valuable suggestions in the chat box too. We are indeed really happy when we read through this words of appreciation which you have shared with us in the chat box. Really, we are also looking forward for more such FTPs in the days to come, and you should also render the same support which you have rendered for the past 4 days in the future days to come too. Thank you all once again for sharing your valuable words of feedback and suggestion. And before we move on to the online assessment session, I would like to invite Dr. A. Krishnaveni ma'am to have a formal vote of thanks. Over to you, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Happy evening. It's the time to accord gratitude to all the invited speakers, facilitators, and supporters and the participants for the successful completion of the program. First of all, my gratitude to the God Almighty for making this 5-day online FDP a grand success. By His blessings and grace, we are able to make the event in a glorious way. I express my thanks to AICTE Atal Academy for rendering permission and financial support for conducting this FDP. My sincere thanks to our respected Principal Dr. P. Lata for her presidential address and her backing. Thanks to all the HODs of my own institution for their extended help. I must mention our deep sense of appreciation Dr. Muruganandam Ponnusamy, Deputy Registrar, Indian Institute of Information Technology, Kalyani, West Bengal, Dr. Shaheen Zafar, School of Engineering Sciences Technology, Jamia Hamden University, New Delhi, Dr. K. Jayakumar, Principal, SCAD College of Engineering, Tirunelveli, Tamil Nadu, Dr. Pannir Selvan, Director and Consultant, Psychiatrist, Sneha, Mindcare Center, Tirunelveli, Dr. Jiva, Psychiatry Chief, Civil Surgeon, Government, Thoothukudi Medical College, Thoothukudi, Dr. R. Victor Lazarus, Associate Professor, Department of Management Studies, Bishop Heber College, Tiruchirappalli, Dr. Sivakumar Palaniyappan, Professional Speaker and Mindset Strategies from Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu, Mr. Ayyappan, Founder and Chief Yoga Instructor, Andiyappan Yogalayam, Tenkasi, and Dr. Salai Jayakalpana, CEO, Siddhamutra, Global Research Foundations, Madurai. Next, I would like to record my heartfelt huge thanks to Mrs. Shala John for her sincere and meticulous effort in preparing the recap PPT and being as a Pakka MC throughout the entire event. I also thank Mrs. Angeline Jabba, my research scholars Rabi Moses, Nishat, and Arun Kumar for their support. Program will not be successful without the active participation of all the participants. So I extend my thanks to all the beloved participants from universities, engineering, medical, polytechnic, arts and science colleges and schools, technocrats from industries and research organizations, research scholars and students across the country. Thank you so much. Once again, be safe. God bless you all. I like to say in Hindi, आप सब सुरक्षित रहे, भगवान आप सबका भला करे. Thank you once again. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Krishnaveni ma'am. You touched the hearts of all the national participants. Thank you, dear participants, for joining us and for being with us for the past 4 days and making this FDP successful. I would like to wind up with beautiful words to remember. Stay healthy, stay active, stay stress-free, and never forget to smile. Remember to stay home and stay safe. We hope to catch you all in one another forum as such. Thanks for joining. Thank you all.